into a sanctuary for life. Deep within a volcanic pool, a pivotal moment unfolded. The emergence of conscious life in the form of a protocell. Single-cell organisms form the basis of Earth's evolution, multiplying, adapting, and diversifying over millennia to create a diverse array of resilient species. The enduring existence of the humble water bear stands as a reminder that long-term survival hinges on harmonious coexistence within nature. In the past, Earth faced existential challenges, including 4 mass extinctions caused by catastrophic events such as volcanic eruptions and global warming. These events upended ecosystems, but each time Earth rebounded, giving rise to new and remarkable creatures. Among them were the ammonites, mollusks of intricate beauty and ancient lineage that became prominent inhabitants of Earth's oceans millions of years ago. Their unmistakable fossils are found in rock layers worldwide and stand as a testament to nature's enduring creativity and the remarkable diversity of life that has graced our planet throughout its long and tumultuous journey.